Okay guys, so it's a snowstorm currently, as you can see.
Icy.
Yeah, I'm here with Jet right now.
It's like raining ice.
It is like,
oh my god, look how much like ice is in that.
it is super icy right now. And today we're gonna be snow skating down these hills. So here's my board. Didn't want to use my real board because I didn't want to mess up the grip tape on it. Jet is gonna be sledding on his. Oh yeah, there's Jet. Let's see it, Jet. Wow, that was really good.
It's always standing up.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh, you like Taylor?
Hold on, I can do this. I can do this.
Oh, you like
It's actually harder than it looks because of like the snow, like the ice on the board. Are you gonna go standing up, Jet? All right, let's see it.
my fall? I also have boots on.
I don't know how this is gonna turn out. Go.
I'm scared.
Come on, you got this.
It's like, oh.
No, he's forward. Run away forward. Run away forward. Oh, got it. All right, just drop in. You gotta like put your foot at your foot at the front of the board.
Okay.
It's gonna slide a little bit. Oh, he is running. Oh my gosh, Jet. And I don't have boots on, I just have my checkerboards on. You know, just snow skating in my checkerboards as I'm sliding down a hill. Let's see, Jet.
Tana, watch me. I'm gonna go down, lift the nose up. Oh no! Oh no! You landed on my hand. Tana, you landed on my hand.
Oh my god!
Oh my gosh! You're going off your toes?
Yeah, that's why they call me Extreme Tanner. Holy cow! Oh my god!
Highlight.
My board is soaked now. Holy cow! I mean, it's just like snowboarding.
Stand there.
Come on, commit, commit. Oh no, look at my grip tape. It's like in the water. Yo, I'm gonna do something extreme.
Oh. Is that what you're doing extreme?
Hold on, I need to get up here first. It's so hard.
I can get up. Look.
I can't get up.
It's so easy for me. You're 5 years old.
Yeah, and you have boots on. I'm just
Yeah.
trying to get up in my van. All right, I'm doing it.
I do it.
Oh my god! I landed in the water, Sarah. I landed in the water. Guys, I don't know if you can tell, but I'm soaking wet right now.
Guys, this one they call me extreme. Did you land in it?
I did the opposite of what I wanted to do. Oh my god.
What did you do? Did it wet?
Yeah, I got wet again. My feet are freezing. My feet are so cold. All right, that's going to be the end of the video. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Whoa, whoa, whoa!